Okay, so check it out. I did a little bit of work off camera. Paint cap away. Glasses off and put to the side. Okay. Boom, boom. A zoom, a zoom. So I cleaned up these images here a bit. I added that and I added that, I think. Oh, this over here as well. And it's not successful at this point. Not successful until it's done. Not done yet. So I have some ideas. I have an idea. Unfortunately, it's going to take a little bit more time to do. And that means that this drawing is going to be with us a little bit longer. But you know, if I wasn't drawing, then I wouldn't have the art. And just having the art is not the thing. It's the drawing, right? Okay. And right now, I'm gonna make a move. I'm gonna make a move. What kind of move am I gonna make here? I hope I make the right move. I do. I hope I make the right move. Yeah, it wasn't terrible. I went a little further than I wanted right there. However, check out how I'm going to fix this. Not that it's broken, but it's going to be fixed. Right. Still, I'm going to do one more move. I have confidence now. Yes, confidence has been established. Boom. All right. So there we go. Okay. This little part here, little hiccupy thing, you know, I wish I hadn't done that. I'll have to be honest about that. I wish I hadn't done it because I liked that line as it was before. But now, because I did do that, I am going to have to do some modifications to this. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I wonder if I just leave it. This is the tricky part. This is the tricksters. This is the tricky. Yeah, I have to think about it. I don't know what to do. Should I bring, you know, a patch here would be to bring this line up and around like that. This thickness of the line, I don't want it to be any just not it just kind of irritates me. What to do? Well, screw. I'm gonna do the only thing that I think can be done at this point. Let's thicken the lineup. Yeah. No, I can't do that. You're seeing me struggle. This is the most I've struggled on this whole piece. Right here. Right at the top of the thing. You know what? I'm gonna give it a rest. I'm not gonna think about it. I'm gonna go into that other part that I was gonna mess with on this drawing. And that is up here. Yes. So, you know what? I'm gonna talk this out while I do it and show you what I was thinking. I was thinking about something like this. Let me just show you here. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. By the way, I've noticed over the years when I'm drawing that parts that irritate me or that I feel like I've flubbed, made wrong moves on, messed up. These often, not always, but often, they come to be the best part of, or one of the best little parts of the piece. I'm like, yeah, that turned out all right. That little area that I hated so much, it ended up being good. So I have hopes for this. Still don't know what I'm going to do with it. But this part here, I'm pretty sure I'm good with what I'm doing. So let's get into it. Okay. I'm going to go rough and tumble. Just like that. Okay. Did I get that? Yeah, I did. Okay. Then, do I want to make this all the way to the right, or do I want some? Yeah, up in this corner here. Yes, definitely. So, yeah. But I want some kind of a thing going on there. Pull this up and over. This is all dark. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What's going to happen here? I'm not sure. Dark here. That doesn't mean necessarily light here, but yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. So